Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nori. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing my first ever Boxycharm. This is my first time ever trying it. I am super excited. I was a little disappointed already because this was supposed to be delivered to me over a week ago. Every day I was getting a notification like around 7 a.m. It will wake me up saying your package will be delivered by 10:30 a.m. By the end of the day, it will say the status on FedEx will say pending, and there was no information. And then the next day will follow the same way, and I will see FedEx trucks drive by but not stop on my house. So I was getting so disappointed. It's been like a week or so, almost a week, that happened every day. So I wanted to do a try on. I wanted to try everything on, but it's already August tomorrow. So I really wanted to upload this video today because it's the July box, which I didn't mention yet. It's the July box, so I just wanted to make sure that I uploaded this today. So I would just be unboxing it. I'm not going to be trying it on, unfortunately, but it's fine. So I have no idea what's in it at all, and I'm super excited about that. In case you didn't know, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription service. You get a box. This one is the base box, costs $25, and you get 5 full-size makeup or skincare products. And I believe they have a premium box that retails for $35, and you get, I think it's 6 or 7 products, but don't quote me on that, I'm not actually sure. And I know that you're paying $25 for this one, and it's supposed to be valued at, I want to say, more than $125, but I'll double check that and have it written somewhere in here because I'm not sure. But anyway, let's go ahead and unbox it and see what I got in my first ever Boxycharm. Okay, so when I opened it up, it looks like this. Super pretty. That's what it looks like right there. And this month's theme is sunshine. Very cute card. So I see I got this card that it tells me exactly what I got, and I'm just gonna look in it one by one. Okay, I'm excited, but I'm nervous. I almost peeked, but I don't want to peek. When I filled out the quiz, I specifically put the eyeshadows at like highest. I want that now. I want eyeshadow palettes. And I know I want skincare, but it's my first time trying it out. Maybe I'll get tired of makeup after a while, but I want makeup. So, oh my God, I'm so excited. I did not know I was gonna be this excited. The first thing I see is this here. Oh my gosh. Guys. Oh my gosh. This is the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette, and this is a bronzer and contour palette. It looks like that. That is beautiful. I actually saw a couple videos, people receiving this, and it's a lot more beautiful in person. Let me read a little bit about it for you guys. Okay, so this, let me hold it up so you can enjoy it as I'm reading about it. So this is the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. The Bronzed in Paradise bronzer palette is an addition to the much-loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid, cream, or other powder complexion products. And the retail value of this is $30. This is so pretty, and I did not expect to get this. I saw some people getting it. I don't know why, I just didn't expect to get it in my first one. And the packaging is super pretty. I own a few bronzers, but I've never been into bronzer so much. I have some on now. The one I'm using currently, it's a mix of e.l.f. and Tarte. So I don't have a lot of bronzers, so I'm actually super excited to have this. I know a lot of people like buy a lot of bronzers and didn't want this, but me, I don't have a big bronzer collection, so I totally could use this. I'm super excited to try it out. The next thing that I got in my box is a color switch. Okay, and I already have one of these. I know what it is. You open it up and it looks like this. I know most people know, but in case you don't know, I'm watching this now. This here is so when you're doing your eyeshadow, you can switch colors between applications. So if you finish doing a purple shadow, you can dip your shadow in here and swirl it around, and it's supposed to kind of take any color off the brush so that you can go ahead with the new color, which I think is amazing. I bought one from Amazon for I want to say $5, but I don't remember. I know it was very, very cheap. So let's read about it. Okay, so here it says, lavish quick color switch by brush cleaner. With this quick color switch dry brush cleaner, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water. Reusable and washable, and the retail value says $20. I definitely can say this is not worth $20. I have one. I'm not mad that I got it. I mean, I guess I could use it. The one I have, it's almost brand new, so if you hear any background noise, I'm sorry. My neighbors are cutting the grass. They're mowing the lawn. And yeah, I'm going to keep recording because this is the best time that I can record. But just in case you hear any background noise, that's why my neighbors are mowing his lawn. But yeah, I don't need this. I have one. But I don't mind, I guess. But I know I'm not going to be like using it every day. I guess if the other one gets super old, I can start using this one. But it's not that exciting to me. And again, there's no way this retails for $20. Like, why? It's crazy. But anyway, it's fine. That was my second item. Let's see what I got next. The next item that I got is a Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Spray. Do you see? Okay, let's open it up first. Just the word coconut excites me. I love anything coconut. I just love coconut things. Any products or like smells. I love eating coconut. And this is the bottle right here. It's so beautiful. It feels luxurious. Okay, so let's read a little bit about it, and then I will be putting this on my skin. All right, so this is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. Set and refresh your makeup with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. Infused with coconut, this luminous ultrafine mist holds makeup while micro pearls and a delicate glow over the skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach, and this retails for $22. It's so pretty. The bottle's super pretty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and shake it and try it out on my skin. I definitely smelled coconut. I don't know I'll have to check later in the mirror, but maybe that was a lot. I use setting spray. I have a couple of them, but mostly I use the Urban Decay All Nighter just because that's my OG one that I've been using for a while, and I don't like switching my products that work amazing for me. I don't like switching them out, but this one smells so good that I might go ahead and try it. And the packaging is beautiful too, so all right. The next thing that I got is this Babe Lash Essential Serum. Right here. Cute packaging, definitely. I love the black and gold. I'm gonna open it up and then read a little bit about it. There's even a little like pamphlet, I guess, in here, so you can learn. Oh, is this like for your lashes? That is so pretty. That's like cool. It seems like it's a nice product to display. Where, come on, focus, right here. Okay guys, so this right here is Babe Lash Essential Serum. Who doesn't want noticeably beautiful lashes? The award-winning Babe Lash Essential Serum will give you the lashes you've been looking for by enhancing the appearance of length and volume over time. It can also be used on brows and with lash extensions. Be your own kind of beautiful with Babe Lash. And this retails for $59. Wow. I've never heard of this, but I am super excited to try it out. It seems so cool. I don't have long lashes. I wish I did. Right now I only have mascara on, and I use falsies sometimes, but I don't feel like using them all the time. So if this actually works, I will definitely be trying it out and even repurchasing it. And wow, sounds really cool. I'm very excited to try this out. Okay guys, so we've come to the last product in my box, and I know it's a palette. Oh my gosh. Ta-da. Here it is. So this is the Morphe X Manny MUA Glam Palette, eyeshadow and highlighter palette. Oh my gosh. I think the only time that I ever heard about this was watching a few Boxycharm videos. But I mean, I'm excited to try out any eyeshadow palette. Okay. I really like the aesthetic. That's how it looks. Let's open it up. Wow. You guys see? That's super pretty. I like it. I need to like look at it closer because so far I like it, but I really need to get a closer look. Let's see. This seems more like this seems like it's more of a everyday palette, which is cool. I have actually a lot of them, but I'm always excited to try anything else out. And I love the fact that it brings the two highlighters because right now I'm obsessed with highlighters. So I could see myself using this for fall for some reason. Let me see. Can you guys there you can see it's dark. It was picking it up a little lighter, but the colors are definitely darker. Like that purple right here is very shimmery and it's not as light as it's picking it up on camera. I could see myself using this for the fall. It's definitely darker than I expected it to be. I mean, on camera it looks lighter, that's what I'm trying to say. When you get closer it's a neutral palette. I mean, right now I'm going through a color obsession. I love colors and brightness, and I mean it's summer. I'm obsessed with corals and like pinks and purples and just pastels actually a lot right now. And that's not screaming that to me, but I could totally try that out. Why not? I like expanding my collection, so I totally like it. So yeah, either way, I'm very excited to try it out. And I don't know, maybe I'll try it out. I don't know if I'll do it on my YouTube channel, but I have an Instagram, which I'll link here. Well, my Instagram is always linked down below in my description, but I'll write it down here on the video. It's at Nori Loves Beauty, and I've been posting a lot of makeup on there. I love makeup. I love makeup, but I'm not great at it, but I love playing with makeup. So I'll definitely be trying this out for an Instagram video. So if I don't do it on here, definitely look out for a video in my Instagram. I really like playing with makeup on there. It's just fun. Like I make really quick videos, and I love the background music that I use. So I'll be trying that out very soon. So anyway, I want to go ahead and add up my box's value. Okay guys, so my box was valued at $151, and even though like this is not worth $20, I'm sure, I am very happy with it. I've seen some people's boxes and I was not looking forward to some of the items that they got. So overall, I am so happy. I got an eyeshadow palette, I got a contour palette, a setting spray, a lash serum, and even this color switch. And honestly, for $25, I think this is totally worth it. I'm very excited to try these out. I don't know if I'll be making any YouTube videos about these, but definitely if you're interested, but definitely if you're interested, follow me on Instagram, because I think I'll definitely be doing some looks with all these products right here. Before I go, I wanted to say, because I know some people like to know, I believe my variation is 5. It just says 5 and a heart, so I'm guessing that's what it is. And my box weighed 1.5 pounds, in case you're wondering. And anyway guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today if you made it to this part. If you like these kinds of videos, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment saying hi. Also follow me on Instagram, where like I said, I have a lot of fun with makeup. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.